Guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a double Dior unboxing. I have the other box here in my hand, but it's like impossible to pick it up. But it's a double Dior unboxing. It is 2 handbags. I have been holding on to one of these bags for the longest time, you guys, for the longest time, and I'm so excited to finally show you. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, which if you don't, you definitely should. It's just the Katie Danger. I'll pop it right here. I post every single day over there. I have had reels and I have had pictures just waiting in my drafts. Literally just waiting in my drafts because I wanted to do this first. I wanted to introduce her here, and then you guys see it. You guys will see it. Hello. Over on Instagram afterwards. So I cannot wait for you guys to see what I got. I feel like if you guys have been keen observers of my videos recently, you have seen it. So if you guys want to see the 2 new Dior handbags that I have picked up, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I think you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, if you like handbags, if you like Dior, I think this is the place you're gonna wanna be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. And without further ado, let's just jump into the unboxing. I think I'm going to start off with the one that you guys probably already know what it is, but you may or may not know the color. So I'll start off with that, and then we'll talk a little bit more about, you know, how I got it, why I got it, etc. And then after we discuss that, we'll talk about the second one. So let's roll the clip. So you guys, I finally got what I think is my perfect Lady Dior. Oh, I should have shown this side, right? So this is the ABC Lady Dior in white, of course, with the light gold hardware. And it did come from Fashion File. So I picked this up from Fashion File because I am sure you guys already know, but Dior does not hold its value very well. The original time that I had the Lady Dior, which you guys know, I had a gray Lady Dior. So if you guys didn't see the bags I sold in white, I will link it right up here. But I had a gray Lady Dior and it was in this size, and I also picked that up from Fashion File. So I ended up saving a good amount on that, but especially now since Dior just had like a psychotic price increase, there was no way that I was gonna pick this up if it wasn't gonna be on the pre-love market. This white one popped up and it was perfect. First of all, the condition was incredible. This is an amazing condition. There is absolutely nothing wrong with it. Came with everything, full set. And the reason that I thought this was like the perfect Lady Dior is, if you guys don't know, the small Lady Dior does come with like a customizable strap, so you can kind of pick 3 charms. Well, you can pick as many as you want, but you get 3 for free. And look at the charms that came with this bag. But before this, I didn't have a white bag in my collection, so perfect. And actually goes really well with what I'm wearing. Obviously, I'm wearing white. It's not the bag I wear today though. I wear this one today. I just love having a white bag. I think a white bag is essential in anybody's collection. I don't care like if you think that you're just so disgustingly dirty that you're gonna get your bag to be like brown by the time you're done using it. I don't care if that's what you think. I promise you it's gonna be okay, because I have 2 very young children, 4 and 2 years old. And look at her, she's clean. And this is my second white bag. I used to have a Balenciaga white bag and that one was clean too. So if I can do it, you can do it too. If you're looking for a Lady Dior, I definitely suggest looking on the pre-love market. If you don't want to go on Fashion File, of course you don't have to, but I did both times and I definitely don't regret it at all. But the only thing that I will say is if you're going to eventually sell it, I did end up losing money on my gray one. So like I said, Dior does not retain its value at all, so just keep that in mind. So now that we've discussed the first bag, let us roll the unboxing for the second.
What I would do if I were you.
guys have no idea how excited I am about this little bag, you guys. Okay. Let me reel her in for a second and let's talk. This is the Micro Lady Dior in orange. And I know you guys are like screaming because I did mention this in the 5 luxury bags that I'm obsessed with tag. So I'll link that up here in case you haven't seen it. I mentioned it and I said I was never gonna pay this price for such a teeny tiny bag, but you guys, I already think it's worth it. I have not used it yet. This is like completely brand new. I've not used it yet, but I already know that it's worth it. In the 5 luxury bags tag, I mentioned that I'm obsessed with the Micro Lady Dior and I think it's just so adorable, so cute, but it's just so damn expensive for such a small bag. And I said in that video, if I was to get it, it would be in either a yellow or an orange color, just because I feel like a pop of color in this teeny tiny bag is so freaking cute. Dior did come out with a yellow and an orange color in a collection that they released, I believe back in February. They released a yellow that was kind of more of like a mustardy yellow. I'll see if I can pop a picture of it here. And they released this super delicious bright orange color. And I thought they were both so beautiful. And I said, like, if I was gonna get it, it was gonna be in one of those 2 colors and that would be it. Ever since that video, I have not been able to stop thinking about it, okay? Have not been able to stop thinking about it. The reason I decided to go for the orange color was because I have kind of a lot of pieces of clothing, like several pieces of clothing that would match orange. And I don't really have that much that would match yellow. Yellow is not a color that's very like often repeated throughout my wardrobe, if that makes sense. But apparently orange is. So I looked on the website, I looked at the listing for this specific bag, and it said that it was sold out online. And it said that I could check the availability in boutiques. It was only available in Beverly Hills. And I don't know if you know, but I live very far from Beverly Hills. I live in New York. So what I did was I called the like customer service phone number. I called and I was just like, hey, I see that this is available in the Beverly Hills boutique. And that's the only boutique that was shown. That is the only one. And I know that that's the only one because after I bought it, it was completely sold out. Like it says sold out. You can't check the availability anywhere. It's just sold out, like not coming back. Sorry, mister, you know. If you're looking at an item, there is a phone number listed. It's like a 1-866 number. So I just called it and I was like, hey, I'm looking at this bag. It says it's only available in Beverly Hills. How can I get my hands on it? And they're kind of just like, you know what? I'm gonna ping the store and I'm gonna have them give you a call back. So they'll call you and, you know, they'll arrange everything for you. You don't have to do anything. You've given me your information. Like, I got you. Just sit tight. And I'm like, okay, I'll just sit here in limbo until, you know, someone reaches out to me. It's fine. It's fine. Apparently it was supposed to take 24 to 48 hours for them to contact me. And I would say it took less than 24. So that's really good. I got a text message from who is now going to be my SA. He texted me. He said, hey, this is so-and-so from the Beverly Hills boutique. I'm looking for the orange bag for you now. Then he found it and he sent me a picture of it. And I was just like, oh my God, send me that bag right now. I said, yes, absolutely. I want it. Send me the invoice. Like, let's hook this up. He sent me an invoice, paid for it, and he shipped it out. I got it probably within 5 or 6 days. I would say not even business days, like regular days, like 5 or 6 days. And that's including a weekend. So that's definitely not bad. And it's here and it's perfect. And I'm so happy that this worked out. I mean, I got the last one. You guys. I got the last one. So I'm going to compare the two. I wish I had a mini just to show you the size reference. Not because I want a mini. I don't want a mini. But just for like size comparison. This is the small ABC. And then this is the Micro Lady Dior. You could see like she's so tiny. But honestly, she's not as small as I thought. I've never actually seen this bag like in person. But it's not as small as you would think. But these are my 2 new Dior bags. And actually, I didn't buy them like back to back. I want that to be clear. I've had this for a while. Like I said, I've had it. I've used it. It's been a while. This one is new. This one is, she's brand spanking new. And that's why I decided to just like put them together. I was just going to reveal this one. But once I got this one, I was like, listen, we got to do a double. We got to double team it. Double the trouble. 2 for 1. You know, 2 for the price for 1. Buy 1, get 1 free. I freaking wish. I actually ended up paying almost the same for both of these bags because this one obviously was pre-loved and then this one was brand new. So even though there's like such a big price difference, I think this retails for like $5,300 now. This one retails for $3,800. So I actually did pay the $3,800 for this one. I paid like $4,000. So that's why they ended up being so close in price. Like I said, I do have 2 other bags that I still have to unbox. I feel like if you guys pay like extra good attention in my videos, you may have seen them, but I'm not trying to be like a, you know, unboxing back to back. So I'm gonna give it some time. I have some other things that I want to film in the meantime before I film the unboxings for those. But you have to be subscribed because they're coming. You don't know when they're coming, because I don't even know when they're coming, but they're coming. But anyways, that is all that I have to say for today's video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. Definitely subscribe if you're not already. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. The way I'm sweating right now, it's not okay.